Your body gets hiccups when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts. This spasm forces air to rush into your lungs, causing your vocal cords to snap shut and produce the hic sound. Hiccups often happen when you eat too quickly, drink fizzy beverages, or experience sudden excitement or stress. They can also result from irritation of the phrenic or vagus nerves, which help control the diaphragm. To stop hiccups, you can try techniques to calm these nerves and relax the diaphragm. Holding your breath, drinking water slowly, swallowing a teaspoon of sugar, or gently pulling on your tongue are common remedies. Most hiccups resolve on their own in a few minutes, but if they persist for hours, it might be a sign of an underlying issue and should be checked by a doctor. Persistent hiccups, while rare, could indicate a more serious health condition.